Hi, Jim Carson here from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario. The Bronco family, beginning with the Bronco Sport. You get a preview look inside of the full-size Bronco behind me, but lucky for us, the Bronco Sport has arrived. And today, I'd like to tell you just some of the reasons why you should consider Blackstock Ford for the all-new Bronco Sport. Check it out. Well, here they are, the first of the Bronco family. A couple of Bronco Sports just arrived. The Bronco Sport is an ideal vehicle for those of you with an active or adventurous lifestyle. And what is part of that is accessories, making the vehicle what you want. Well, who better to install and trust with a great choice of accessories, including over 100 Ford licensed accessories, than Blackstock Ford together with our mod shop, Bad Dog Mods. We're experts. That's reason number one. Reason number two is our purchase experience. You know, long before this whole COVID lockdown things we're dealing with, we started a better way to purchase a car, recognizing that you, the customer, are looking for a digital transaction. Well, that was Skip the Showroom. Here we are 2 years later. We continue to make it better. Its capabilities are fantastic. And we can build the deal for you. You can do everything from at home, and hopefully that's where you are today during this lockdown. Well, go to our website, Blackstock Ford, find a vehicle of interest, the new 2021 F-150s, Mustangs, Escapes, Explorers. Our whole Lincoln lineup also has Skip the Showroom available. What it allows us to do, we can build the deal for you, send it back to you, customize it, and you have full transparency. You see all the aftermarket options, you can see whatever accessories, call us, talk to us, email us, we'll build it in for you, and you get to look at what your finance terms are, what your lease deals are. Choose the deal on your own terms. It's called skiptheshowroom.ca. Trust me, it's a great experience to purchase a car, and we're very proud to be leading edge on a digital purchase experience. Well, let's talk about the third reason you should consider Blackstock Ford Lincoln. I know, and we know, that people feel pressured to buy aftermarket products that have the dealer's interest in place. Things like rust modules. They don't have the consumer's interest in place. Well, you won't get that experience here. The only aftermarket protection we're going to offer you are quality, trusted brand names. Rust Check for your rust proofing, 3M paint protection film, G-Technic for ceramic coatings. That's what we're all about, transparency and quality at Blackstock Ford Lincoln in Orangeville, Ontario. So once again, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you're at home safe, and I really encourage you to check out the brand new Bronco Sport just arriving at Blackstock Ford Lincoln. Thank you.